Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Senegence review. I'm going to give you an overview, and then at the end I'm going to give you some great ideas as far as keywords to market this business and products on YouTube. I'm not a part of this company, but I just wanted to give you an overview. But if you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the Senegence review. Senegence is a network marketing company, and they sell cosmetics and skincare products. The owner is Joni Rogers Kent, and the company was founded in 1999. Since then, it has expanded to Canada, Australia, Indonesia, Switzerland, Poland, and some other regions, so it is worldwide. The original product that they sold was Lip Sense Long Lasting Liquid Lip Color. That's their premier product, and that comes in 6 different colors. Of course, they've expanded to have different products, which are skincare. That's going to be your eye cream, cleansers, eye illuminator, and moisturizers. Anti-aging products, they have neck cream, serums, night packs. Then they have something called Ceraderm Solutions, which is anti-wrinkle treatment, exfoliators, under eye treatment, and acne treatment. Then they have for the face, foundation, blush, powder, concealers, tinted moisturizer. For the eyes, they have liquid brow color, mascara, lash primer, eyeliner, and eyeshadows. And then, of course, for the lips is the lip glosses and lip balm. The body, they've got body wash, lotion, body scrub, face mask, body cream, hand cream, self-tanning lotion, and sunscreen. And for the hair, of course, shampoo, conditioner, hair serum, and hairspray. They do have 3 different fragrances of perfume. So those are the products. In order to become a distributor, you have to pay $55, and that will get you a discount anywhere from 20 to 50% on their products. And in order to, besides becoming a distributor, if you want to build a downline and you want to build the network marketing side of it, you have to purchase 300 product volumes worth of product initially, and then after that, every month you're going to need to buy 100 product volumes in order to qualify to earn every month. And the packs that you have to purchase are anywhere from $75 to $1,150. So the compensation plan is binary. You're going to earn from sales income, downline commissions, and group sales volume bonus. And I'm not going to go into the compensation plan. I'm going to leave a video here that you can watch. This, I think, is about 3 minutes long. That'll explain it in detail. And I'm going to leave a link to this blog post in the description below the video. So you might be asking, like, how much can I expect to make? I wasn't able to find an income disclosure statement for Senegence. And unless I didn't look hard enough, you're supposed to have an income disclosure statement for your company that shows, excuse me, how much most people make. Well, all the people in the company. So with every network marketing company that I've seen, income disclosure statement, small percentage of people make a lot of money, and the majority of people make very, very little. So just keep that in mind. And the reason for that, I believe, is most people don't know how to, or they aren't taught how to market correctly, because it's outdated. Even though you may have a website and different marketing materials, it's outdated. Because with the internet today, there's massive opportunities to get in front of the right kind of people. You can't just post your link on Facebook and expect people to buy your products or join Senegence. I mean, you may get some sales, but you're not going to build a large downline and make life-changing income, like be able to leave your job and really supplement your income, I don't think, unless you really learn how to market, because that was my experience. I'm going to tell you my story here in just a bit. But what you're going to do, first of all, is run out of friends and family very quickly to talk to. So then what your upline usually tells you is just go onto Facebook and start posting your link, and people will come to you and want to join you and want to buy your products. Like I said, some people may, but majority of people, it's kind of like a turnoff, especially if they don't know you. and even friends and family. It's like the car salesman that's a pushy car salesman. When you go to buy a car, it's just like it's a turnoff to you, where because people like to buy, they don't like to be sold, even if you know the person. So like I said, in order to make a large income, you're going to have a lot of people purchasing the products, because they're beauty products, so they're not going to cost that much money. It's not like a high ticket product, so you're going to need to sell a lot of it. And you need to put yourself in front of people who actually want to start a home-based business in beauty and skincare and are really passionate about that. Because there are people out there. You just have to put yourself in front of them. It's a little bit about my story. I started a travel MLM back in 2007. And by the way, I'm not with Senegence or any network marketing company. I do affiliate marketing now. But back then, I thought I was going to get rich because, you go to the meetings and you see all this money that people are making and you think that you can make that kind of money. So I thought I was going to leave my job as a physical therapist. I was told to have travel parties, and then when I ran out of people to have travel parties with, then I had my neighbors have travel parties. That was the most uncomfortable thing because nobody wanted to join, and I think they were very uncomfortable being there. Then I was told, people would book travel on my site. Well, nobody was booking on my site. A lot of times they would forget that I had a business and they would book somewhere else, or they said they found it cheaper somewhere else. So I ran out of friends and family like everyone does, and actually our upline, we would go out 2x2s, and they would tell us, you need to go to the mall and talk to salespeople. We went to job fairs. We actually rented a room because this was working for somebody in our company, that they rented a room and they pretended like it was a job interview. And we did that. It was so uncomfortable. And then we would go to stores and invite salespeople to meetings, and they said they were going to come. We gave them the flyer, but they never showed up. And I would just go back and talk to those people over and over again. I know they got tired of me coming in and talking to them. So I invited coworkers and my friends, and they never showed up to meetings. I mean, sometimes they did. Some people joined, but it was very rare that somebody would show up. And I think they got really tired of me talking to them about it. So then I bought leads, and this is like Tim Sales has MLM leads, and nobody wanted to join. It was like they all of a sudden didn't have any money, and they asked if this is a pyramid scheme, and that didn't work out very well at all, even though they said they're good leads. So I started marketing on the internet, and I didn't know what I was doing, so basically I was chasing people on the internet as well. So that was just kind of like posting my link on Facebook, or just reaching out to people, asking them if they're interested, which is okay, but most people are just like I said, they don't want to be sold. They want to come to you. You want more like the attraction marketing, so anyway, I was forced to take an extended leave from marketing. I started like 10 years ago because of really severe health reasons, like I quit everything. But then out of necessity, because of medical bills and everything, I came back online last summer, 2018, and I was like, okay, this is going to work this time. I hired a coach, and I learned how to market using YouTube. And some of my results since last summer is I generate targeted leads every day from my YouTube videos. People join my opportunity on autopilot. I've had $1,000 days and $2,000 days on autopilot. And I've never spoke with the person. And people come to me wanting to join. Or they're asking, like, what's the best thing that I can do? And then they'll join me. So it's totally different from chasing people at the mall. So some marketing ideas that I wanted to give you as far as marketing Senegence is to start a YouTube channel. And you want to think about your target market, because you obviously don't want to market to everybody. You don't want to sell like a steak to a vegetarian. You want to figure out your target market. I recommend doing like a customer avatar, like what do those people want, what are their problems, and then solve those problems with your YouTube videos. You can be like the go-to person, like I go watch this person's YouTube video because they help me with, whatever makeup problem or skin problem that they have. Not that you're gonna like sell in your videos so much, because you can have a call to action at the end of your video, like you solve that problem for them, and then you have a call to action. If you want to learn more about, whatever product, click on the link in the description below this video, so they can get the product that way. Or you're building up an email list of people who are interested in joining your business and selling these products, so you can have your video about a certain topic, and then at the end of the video have a call to action. If you're interested in learning my #1 recommendation for making money from home, click on the first link in the description below this video. And that way you can build an email list of people who are interested in starting a home-based business and earning extra money from home. And then, that way you can build a list and market to people, because that way you're attracting people to you. So I want to give you some ideas of keywords to market Senegence. Now Google's the largest search engine, and then behind that is YouTube. So if you install something called Keywords Everywhere, it's just a Google Chrome extension, search it on Google and install it. It's free. You can see how many searches are for a particular keyword each month. And that way you can learn like which ones are the highest searched and the lowest competition. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. And these are some keywords that I came up with for you based on the products in Senegence. So the first one is best skincare products review. So if we go over to YouTube and type in best skincare products review, so obviously these people are looking for the best skincare products. You can see that the search volume is 1,300. And in order to find out the competition, you're going to just type in all in title, this 3 words, but put it all together as 1 word, then the colon, space, and then put in quotation marks the keyword. And if you don't have more than 1 page of search results, that's a good keyword. And you can see this is hardly any for this one, for that exact match. So that's a really good keyword. The second one is best anti-aging skincare products for 40s. Now the longer your keyword, the better. Like long tail keywords, 3 to 5 words, or less competition. So let me just copy. Let me copy this. And we're going to go back over to YouTube, type this in, because you can have a YouTube channel around skincare products for women in their 40s, or just problems that women have in their 40s with makeup and skincare. So you can see that there's 590 searches a month. So obviously these people are in their 40s and they're looking for the best anti-aging skincare products. So let's see how much competition there is for that. Hardly anything. So that's, and I'm not talking about like exactly what you would put in these videos. That's a whole nother topic. But, or how you would rank them. That's a whole nother topic as well. But these are just some good keywords. Best lip gloss, long lasting. That's exactly what your product has. Best lip gloss review. Best glossy lip gloss. And then this one has more competition, but you're looking for people who you don't have to convince that MLM is good, good way to make money. You're not going to have to convince them like, was this a pyramid? So this is a great keyword. It's more competition, but there's a lot of searches. Best MLM companies to join. So let's search that. So don't you think these people might want to join and do this with you? Best MLM companies to join, 1,900 searches a month. So let's see what the competition is. And like I said, there's more for this, but it's very targeted to people who I think would want to join an MLM company, because it's like best MLM companies to join. Why would they be searching that? Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see there's a lot more competition, but it's doable, I think, to rank for this. There's not more than 1 page. So it becomes very fun when you can rank your videos. Like a lot of my videos, I rank #1 for certain company reviews, and people join me because they find my video. Like one video, I have made tens of thousands of dollars because I was ranking up #1 for that particular keyword. And then another one, company, it's another affiliate marketing company that I just joined. I was able to rank #1. People are joining from that. But the other great part about this, I want to tell you guys, if you think about this long-term marketing on YouTube, once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the Google AdSense program. And I just got approved. Like I said, I came back online last summer, so I had a YouTube channel in the past, but I had to quit everything. So I started posting videos daily since last September, and I just got approved for the Google AdSense program the end of March, and this is what 6/16, so little under 3 months ago, and I'm already making like over $500 a month, and that's residual income. That's from people clicking on the ads at the beginning of my video or inside my video. So I want you to think about that, because this is a great way not only to market Senegence, but also to build long-term income. And you know, even if you leave Senegence, you would have all these videos up that you could just switch out. If you have a tracking link like with ClickMagick, you could just switch out your top recommended way of making money from home in like one click, and in all your videos you can point that to a different company. Super powerful, because it works very, very well. And I wanted to show you, if you want to learn more, because like I said, keyword research is good, and it's a skill in itself, but to learn how to rank your videos and to monetize them is a whole nother thing. How to set up your YouTube channel. But when I came back online and I hired a coach, this is Josh Elder, and this is where I've learned everything that all the success that I've had, and I've done really well. I'm really happy. I'm just basically getting started again. So I know, just an aside, I know someone who just went full-time, but he was working, or full-time online. He was working full-time on his job and posting a video every day, I don't know, for a year or 2 years, something like that. He's up to $10,000 a month residual income through Google AdSense. So just to give you a little inspiration on that too. But anyway, just I'm just getting going here, but I like how it's going. So where I learned this was in this Inner Circle. It's a one-time fee, and it's the best money that I've ever spent. Free, YouTube free traffic, and it's free. You know, you get all this free targeted traffic. It's wonderful. But we learn how to identify your ideal customer, because that's very important. Identify your brand, how to set up your channel, your graphics, how to do keyword research, Google Trends for keyword research, how to optimize your video so you rank at the first page of YouTube, but also you can rank your videos #1. I mean, people that I have referred to this are also ranking their videos #1. Not everybody, but the people who really put the work in, like I do, I mean, they're doing really, really good with this. How to do your thumbnails, how to do on-page, off-page SEO, and not only that, but the free Facebook traffic is something totally different from anything that I've learned before. And you combine the two together, it's like a winning combination. It's worked out really, really well for me. So if you want to learn more about this Inner Circle and how to market on YouTube, I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video, and also a link to my in-depth review on the Inner Circle and the results that I've gotten with it. I'm going to leave that in the description below this video as well. I just want to help you guys out if that's something that you want to do, because it really, really works. So hope you guys found some value from the Senegence review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you want to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below this video. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online as well as offline, and some incredible bonuses, one of which does include the Inner Circle, those will be the first 2 links in the description below this video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.